Hello, let's unbox and install Haier Visi Cooler today. Unboxing starts by cutting the straps. As you can see, the box has a dotted line. We'll cut through the line and open the box easily. Now we gently remove the thermocol protection and the plastic cover. We now remove all the safety tape from the cooler. Position the cooler with a minimum clearance of 1 feet from all 4 sides to ensure proper air circulation and ventilation. Once you open your VC cooler, you get an accessories pack which has a user manual, a drain cap and a warranty card. We fixed this drain plug inside the cooler on the bottom. Adjust the legs of the cooler to ensure it is standing firmly and evenly on the ground. Now, you cut the cable ties that secure the shelves during transportation. Adjust the shelves to desired height using the shelf clips on 4 corners. Connect the VC cooler to a dedicated power socket. Avoid using extension cords or multi-plug adapters. Power on the cooler and allow it to run empty for at least 30 minutes before loading products to stabilize the internal temperature. We strongly recommend using 1 kVA stabilizer to protect the cooler from voltage fluctuations and ensuring a longer product life. Set the thermostat as per ambient temperature and desired cooling level. Refer to the user manual for recommended settings. Ensure the door gasket seals properly and the door closes without obstruction. Check the internal light, fan operation and cooling performance within the first 15 to 30 minutes of operation. Once cooling is verified, begin loading the cooler and ensure even spacing between the items for optimal airflow. Hope this video helps you in unboxing and installing the Visi Cooler smoothly.